By the middle of the 1880s, the Old West was still alive and well, especially in the old New Mexico territory. Isolated from large cities and railroads, the wild country between the Grand Canyon and Old Mexico harbored the last of an exhausted breed of men, fighting for the 19th century influx of ranchers, settlers, and cowboys. Thieves and murderers found the wide open desolation of desert and mountains, and they took one last try at holding back time. It has become a symbol of freedom when there was always another mountain to climb and another river to cross. When a dispute between two men was settled, not with lawyers, but with fists, knives, or guns. Barbaric? Maybe. When the cowboy wrote in the pages of American history, he left behind a legacy that lives within the hearts of us all. This is the story of one such man, looking to punish those who murdered his family.